Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm still alive. I know, a long time no seen, but comeback is real. I know I haven't posted videos since like 2019 or something, but the good thing is that we are back here. And we are back with a banger. I'm working on a video for my client, then I said, why not to record it and to post it? It's gonna be a short one, but you're gonna learn something new. Anyways, let me show you first the video, then we're gonna start by breaking it down from finding ideas, designing it, animating the scene, and everything. Take a look at this.
Static photos, dead, video, that's what sells. Static photos, dead, video, that's what sells.
As you see here, probably you haven't seen something like this before, except in my channel. Anyway, so let's start by showing you how I find the idea. At the beginning, I know someone gonna ask me this question. Where do you find your ideas, or where do you find inspiration? And the answer is always Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, then anywhere else in the world. It can be outside in the sidewalk, it can be in the bathroom, while I'm sleeping, anywhere. For this animation, I saw the design. It did pop out on my feed. Then I clicked on it. Then I saw those two. So I opened them in another tab. Then boom. From this one, as you see here, from here I got the idea of the color of this blue color. I like it so much. It's like clean, it's like easy for the eye, it's not harsh, it's just perfect. And from this one, it's obvious. It's the same idea of this animation. There is like characters here that made the word and the elements in the center. So I did the same here. There's characters here, element in the center, and yeah, I just animated. Now let's go into breaking down how I did the animation part. Starting off with the background. So just a solid layer with a gradient ramp. And here are the key points of the starting and ending of the ramp. And here are the colors. You can copy them. And after this, I add a keyframe for the start color and the end color. Then I change the colors from blue to orange. You may notice here, if you are a good designer, that blue and orange are complementary colors, like they are facing each other in the color wheel. So if blue is here, orange is here. And this complementary colors like give the viewer psychological effect. It's like a comparing thing or something. So there is option A and option B. And in the script, they said static photos are dead. Videos, not what sells. So there is like photos, which is like the bad part. Like photos aren't selling anymore. But if you put videos, that's what sells. That's what gets you like clicks and what gets you leads, what gets you more clients, more money. I couldn't think of any color except orange here. And for the rest of animation, so it was let's start with this elements here in the center, which is photo. So we got the main layer here, this white rounded rectangle, nothing special at all. Then we got smaller one at the center with a duplicate, which has this blue color. So it showed later after this transition or this animation here. Then we got our image here. So, and we have those two lines here. I drew them by the pen tool with a trim path animation. Nothing special at all. And for the image, I selected once, only one of them. Then using the pen tool, I drew this mask here. So it looks like it's cutted or it's rubbed paper. And I duplicate it one more time, then I move the mask here. I duplicate it once more and I move the mask on the top here. Then I added a position, a rotation keyframes, which is Z rotation because everything is 3D. Then I moved each part like far away from the center of its main position, either on the left or the right with more Z rotation. So it looks like this. Great. And you may notice that they turn into black and white, which is the tint effect here. I added the tint effect for all of them, and I animated the amount of tint from 0 to 100. Boom. Then for the second part, those pieces they will goes back to their main position. Then the photo will change to video. So I just copied those two keyframes, I paste them here. Then you can just go here, keyframe assistance and time reverse keyframe. So you can reverse the keyframes. After this, I made sure that this video is well positioned, because if it was here, let me show you. Like you see, like the top of this bottle is here, but the video is here. So this transition doesn't look smooth enough. So I tried to well position it so there is like much cut, we can say. And here I was thinking of transition between the first and the second part of the animation. We can do like fade in and fade out, but it doesn't work here. So I had the idea of a flash transition. So I duplicated those pieces, those three pieces. Then I added fill effect with white color for each one of them. Then I added opacity keyframes going from 0 to 100. Then I duplicated the video too, added fill effect, but for this time I animated the opacity going from 100 to 0. So we have this flash transition. And that's all for this part. Let's go back to the main comp. Now here, let's go for the letters part. So you can just select the text tool from here, then type P, then duplicate it, type O or H or anything. Then there is a crucial point here. Wait, let me hide those layers. Take a look at the scene now, and I'll give you 5 seconds so you can guess what's wrong with this scene. If you have said anything but the balance, you need to learn more about design. Unfortunately, this scene here is unbalanced. Like, as you see here, there is like 3 letters here, but on the left side there is only 2 letters. So it's unbalanced. So we need to balance the scene. To fix this, I added this button here. Boom. Now it feels balanced. Like there is 3 items here, 3 items here, and 1 item at the center. Well done. So I added this one, just a rectangle with stroke, and this is an icon, and this is a text. And next up, I added scale keyframes for each letter. So each letter is gonna scale down, while another letter in the same place is gonna scale up. And another thing here is, while making this like scaling down and scaling up animation, I did sequence the layer, the keyframe. I didn't want them to be like all goes down at once, then all the 5 letters go up at once, because this will look, I don't know, like the viewer can't keep up with it. Like if you are a viewer and you see like 5 letters goes, then 5 letters come up, like maybe you can't even maybe you don't have the time to read it and to get the main point of it. But like this, you can see like there is, you can even here without the P letter, you can like read it. It's photo. For this scale up animation, I just added a bouncing expression using the bouncer plugin. It's a free plugin, you can get it anywhere. Don't tell me like where I can find it. Just type bouncer plugin After Effects and you'll find it. It's free. I changed the colors of this button to match the scene, so it went from blue to orange. After this, for this main or the central elements, I added shaking. So it was through the wiggle. So you can just go here, type wiggle position, and then animate the wiggle speed and the wiggle amount going from 0 to any value, then going back to 0. And I added an exposure doing the same. I animated going from 0 to 1, then to 0. That's it. And for the characters here, I selected each two, like the E with the T. I linked them into a null object, then hit P to open position, hold Alt and click on the stopwatch here, then type this expression, wiggle 1, comma 5. So like it keeps wiggling, as you can see here, like it keeps moving. I did the same for all the letters. And lastly, or last but not least, I added this overlay I had on my drive. I don't know where I get it from, but it's just some stars blinking. If you don't have it, you can just do it manually by going to the star tool, drawing, then like this, and play with it like this and animate it, and it's easy. And the last thing was, well, here I added camera. I linked it with a null object, then I moved the camera to the bottom here, then I moved it back to the main position, so it's like sliding, every element is sliding from the bottom to the top. Let's see how it looks without this camera movement. Yeah, it doesn't look good, so we better keep it. I added position here for this one too, animation. And yeah, that's it. Here we have this cursor. So let me show you first, where did I find it? I found it on FreePic. I used this one. So it came out with this Illustrator file. So I just open it into Illustrator. Let me show you really quick, because maybe someone doesn't know how to use Illustrator, so I can explain it really quick for you. So at the beginning, it was all in one layer, and I had to separate them. So I was just double clicking on each cursor, selecting it, hit Ctrl X to copy it, then hit escape to go out. Then from here, hit Ctrl L to make a new layer, then hit Ctrl F. So you can paste it in a new layer. So we have each cursor here in separated layer. Then just save the file. I'm not gonna save it for now. Then just drag and drop it into After Effects. Then it will came like this. You can select whatever you want, what cursor you want. I selected this one. Sorry. So we're just gonna go right click on it, create shape from vector layer. Now we're gonna have this shape layer, which is the cursor in shape layer with all the fail strokes, so you can play with it as you want. Now we're just gonna copy it and paste it here. Boom. Now we need to make it 3D layer. So I tried to use the advanced 3D. So check advanced 3D here, make sure it's 3D here, then go to geometry options and increase the extrusion depth. But the thing is, if you zoom a bit, you can see like there's a pixelated corners. I don't know what's wrong with it. I can disable the stroke, but I need it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select this shape layer, then using the plugin, it's called 3D extruder. It's a free plugin too. Just hit extrude, and what's it gonna do? It's just gonna make a comp, but inside the comp it will duplicate a couple of times the main layer, so you have it as 3D. A null object here where you can play with those values, so you can get better options maybe. I just link this comp with a null object here, then I animate it going from the bottom here, then going over here and clicking on this buy button. Then from this point to the last one, I added the Z rotation keyframes so it looks smooth enough, and here just scale down with small Z rotation, so it's like a clicking effect. Lastly, I draw those lines using the pen tool. It's not a big deal. Just draw them, and using the Trim Pack plugin, it's free too. You can get it for free. Just hit this one, in and out, so it will add an in and out trim path animation. It's that easy. So if it goes back and let's see the whole animation once again.
Static photos, dead, video, that's what sells.
So that was the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, but most importantly, you need to recreate it. So if you are a beginner, a motion designer, or video editor, or anything, you want to learn how to make clean design, try to remake it. And if you have like some options or any adjustment, you can tell me, or you can do them and post the video on any platform and just tag me. I will check it and I'll give you some reviews maybe. That was the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section down below. See you in the next one. Stay creative, stay safe, stay positive, and peace out.